Hola amigos, ¿todo bien? Okay, so I'm gonna try and keep this portion brief. I just woke up not too long ago. Don't mind the wrinkled clothes. This is the life of living out of a suitcase. Does anyone do that where they pull something out of a suitcase and it's really wrinkled and they try to put water on it so that it looks a little less wrinkled instead of ironing it, because who owns an iron anymore? Who can carry an iron? Yeah, I'm not 12. Don't mind me. Just drinking my coffee. Anyways, I want to do a little bit of a different video this time. I do mostly live out of suitcase, and pretty much everything I own is in this room. It's a disaster, I know. Don't look too close. You'll see things you don't want to see, probably. I do have a few things I left in a trunk of a car somewhere. Ireland. It's lovely. Just a few pieces of clothing though. Other than that, this is pretty much all the clothes I own. And I'm actually getting ready to pack for, gosh, let's see, I've got to go 2 months traveling between Ireland, going to Oktoberfest. So I've got to take my dirndls, got 2 of them. For that, I'll be in Ireland for Halloween. Not sure about taking a costume or not, or something like that, because of course I have them because cosplay. Anyways, I'm also going to Malta, and I am going to London for a conference. Latvia is still being decided if I'm going for a conference, and I'm going to Vienna. I want to say, yeah, I'm going to Vienna, Czech Republic, to Prague, and somewhere else with a friend. She's planning it. I'm going along. Let's see how it goes. But that means I do need to pack for really warm weather in Malta, and it's going to be a retreat. There's going to probably be photos taken, so I've got to kind of look cute. My normal, t-shirts of breweries and skulls, probably not quite what I'm going for. Works for packing days. But I've got to figure out how I'm going to pack all this. So what I'm going to do, that I've never done before, is let you guys watch, but I'm going to speed it up so you guys don't have to be, enduring the painful process that it actually is. So enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye. So I've officially fit all of that I had there into my bag here. This one bag, and also my my backpack here. So it's actually mostly my camera equipment that's in here, because I'm not taking my other backpack this time. Since I've got a few small side trips, it'll be easier to just take this with me on those trips. So I think I'm okay on weight. Hopefully. I don't know. I am flying. Well, I've got a multitude of flights in different companies, so I'm not entirely sure how they'll weigh me. If it's a backpack, it's not so bad actually, considering it's got everything but my laptop in there right now. So I don't know, we'll see. Let's see how much this weighs. This bag. This is my carry-on. This would be my carry-on. Let's say you. 8 kilos, not bad. Not bad. I think I'll pass, barely. I have this handy little thing that I use, and at first I thought it was a waste of money, but I'm finding that more airlines are weighing things, and it's come quite in handy. And this one is almost 13 kilos. I do have a couple other things to add later that are in the wash right now, but I think I'll hopefully pass. This is probably gonna be covering my October, November, part of December. So 2.5 months. Yeah, probably definitely gonna forget something, but you know, that's how it goes. Well,